Make your specific person call you and text you every single day. Hey everyone, my name is Colin. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Sincerely appreciate it. Today's video is going to be a very fun video because we're going to be talking about how to get your SP to call you and text you every single day. Because number one, you deserve it. You deserve to be showered with love from your SP. And how we're able to accomplish this is through a wonderful and powerful affirmation. And affirmations are just absolutely so powerful because affirmations are just a fancy word for your inner dialogue, your inner chat, what you really say to yourself on a regular basis. And what you say to yourself on a regular basis actually creates beliefs about you. And sometimes you might be saying some very untrue things about you that are very unkind, that are very hurtful to you, and you don't even maybe realize it sometimes because you kind of get fear or self-doubt kind of creeps in, and then you say really unkind or untrue things to yourself, and then all of a sudden you get these limiting beliefs that creep in that will stop you from manifesting anything in this world, whether that is your SP, money, or anything like that. And so affirmations and rewriting your affirmations, what you really tell yourself, will change your story about you. And so this affirmation is going to help you with that. We're able to rewrite that story that is, someone that is going to be loved, that is going to be, showered with love, that your SP is going to be absolutely obsessed with you. So if you implement this affirmation in today's video, you're going to see results very fast. If you don't receive results very fast, it's because you might have limiting beliefs that are challenging you, that are maybe saying, oh, that's silly, why would someone say that, blah blah. Your ego gets involved, and then you won't actually implement in what's going to be happening in today's video. But if you do implement this affirmation in today's video, you will be receiving contact, whether a call or a text message, from your SP. So I'm super excited for you because you deserve everything in this world, and so I'm here to help you out. Before we jump right into this video, I do have 2 free gifts for you guys. So I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide available that'll be highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, and I also have an exclusive meditation audio called Manifest Your SP, and you cannot find it on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in those 2 little freebie gifts, just click the link down below. Also, follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok, and subscribe to this channel. I sincerely appreciate it, and without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the affirmation that I want you to repeat on the regular basis is, I will be receiving daily contact from my specific person. I will be receiving daily contact from my specific person. I love this affirmation so much because you just know for a fact that you will be receiving a text message, a call, or some sort of contact from your specific person. You're not in some sort of cloud of self-doubt or fear, or maybe my SP is not really interested in me, and so maybe they're kind of hot and cold at the moment, and you don't really know where you stand. With this affirmation, you're in some sort of contact with your SP, and when you implement this affirmation, it is definite that you know for a fact that they will be calling you, they'll be texting you, and that you will be receiving daily contact from your SP. And it's just a very wonderful statement that you're telling yourself, and it's creating this story to yourself, and you're basically telling your subconscious mind that I am desirable, I am worthy, I am someone that people want to be with, and that I am a very special person, that my SP will be absolutely obsessed with me and is lucky to be with me. And so it creates that wonderful feeling inside and also really empowers you as a person, because sometimes limiting beliefs or what someone says, especially when it comes to the dating world, when you're kind of first starting on, sometimes the way you start in the contact with your SP might be a little games in between, and they're not gonna contact you for 2 hours because you didn't text them for 2 hours, blah blah blah, and then you're not really sure where you stand. But when you know for a fact in your heart and your soul that they're going to be contacting you every single day and you're going to be receiving daily contact, there's nothing to worry about, because you know that you are a fabulous person, you're a wonderful person, and that they love everything about you. Additionally, the other reason why I love this affirmation so much is because you're able to tap into magnetic energy. And magnetic energy is basically you are embracing and living your authentic self. You are not limiting yourself, you're not diluting all the wonderful qualities about you. Because I know when I was younger, I mean, I'm still young, I'm like 29, but when I was younger, I would always limit like all the wonderful qualities I had for myself, and then wouldn't, get the boyfriend, or I would have a boyfriend, but it just wasn't the match for me, because I was, only showing 1/3 of myself instead of my whole self. And so you might be experiencing that right now, where you might had an SP, or you do have an SP, but you're not fully transparent on who you are because you're afraid of showing every aspect to your SP about you. And the thing is that it's like a requirement, I feel like, that you need to be your authentic self when it comes to your SP, because your SP wants to love everything about you. They want to cherish everything about you. They want to cherish a third of you. They want to know everything about you. Your friends come and go, but your SP, the person that will love you forever, isn't going to just, leave you, like your SP wants to know it, like you're good, the bad, the ugly, and the good, the bad, and the ugly isn't that bad. We just kind of tell ourselves that it's bad. So you have to live your authentic self, and when you are living your authentic self, you are very magnetic, and you have this magnetism and this like magnetic aura, this magnetic charm about you that will draw them into you. And like I said, this affirmation will help you tap into magnetic energy, because you just know that you're going to receive contact from them. Because if you were kind of like half-fasting yourself, or showing 1/3 of yourself, you always will kind of be worried of whether they're really super interested in you or not, because you're not really being your full self. But if you are being your full self and your SP is going to love everything about you, you don't have to worry about anyone else, any of your competitors or anything like that. You're not going to be worried that they're going to be texting someone else. If you are yourself and they love everything about you, they're not going to go to someone else. They're only are interested in you. So it's very, very important. And this affirmation is going to help you tap into that magnetic energy and able to receive calls, text messages, or some form of contact from your SP. So yeah, try this affirmation out, because it is super, 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 super powerful. Trust me on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. I want to know what your SP is saying to you. Are they contacting you? What are they saying to you? I want to hear all of it. Let me know in the comment section down below. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and follow me on my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok. And then also, to reminder, there's those 2 freebie gifts I have you. They'll all be linked down below. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!